Hello guys, welcome once again. Last time I have shown you how to make a pie chart, and this time I will show you how to make a bar chart. So today we are going to take an example for students as we have taken last time. So suppose we have 4 students and they have scored different marks. So we will plot a chart for the student and the marks. So let's get started. Go to your palette and take a button and name it as bar chart, and then right click your button, go to event action performed, and I will go to my button action perform, and here we will write our code. So first of all we have to write default category dataset, and I will name this variable as dataset itself is equal to, I will copy it and here I will write new, and I will paste my default category dataset once again, and bracket and semicolon. So it will show some error because I haven't fixed my imports, so I will right click and fix imports, and my error is not gone. That means I have some spelling mistakes. Let's see where is my spelling mistake. Here, category CATE and CATE category, and then right click and fix import, and my error is gone. Then I have to copy this variable name dataset, paste it here, dot set value. So it will show you 3 fields. In the first field, for example, I want to show the marks, so I will show here marks. So student 1 scored 80 marks, for example. In the second field you have to write whatever you have to take in your y-axis. So I want to take marks on y-axis, and in the third field you have to write whatever you want to take on your x-axis. So I want to take student name on x-axis. So for example, 80 marks is scored by student 1, and copy this line and paste it. I will paste it 4 times because I'm taking the example with 4 students. So for example, second student scored 50, third student scored 75, and fourth student scored 95. I will change the student name also: student 1, student 2, student 3 and student 4. These are the marks and student names. You can name it anything, and then after you write J free chart and then space chart is equal to chart factory dot, we are creating bar chart. So click create bar chart, and you can see so many fields for bar chart. Chart factory dot create bar chart, and here in the first field you must write the title of your bar chart, so I will name it as student score, for example. In the second field you have to write the x-axis title, so I will name it as student name, because I'm taking student, or I'm writing, I want to show student name on my x-axis, so this is the title, student name, for my x-axis, and then I have to write the title for the y-axis, so my y-axis title is marks, and then here this is already default data set, which is my this dataset variable. So fourth field is dataset, which it will come automatically, or you have to copy it and paste it here in the fourth field. After that, here you have to write plot orientation, which must also come automatically, and if it doesn't come you must write this, and I want to show my bars in vertical, not in horizontal, so I will change it as vertical. And in the last three fields I will write false, true, false. So the title of my bar chart, then x-axis title, y-axis title, my data set variable, which is this, and then my orientation I'm taking vertical, and then false, true, true, and after that semicolon, and then in the next line I will write P, no, sorry, category plot P, whatever variable name you want to take, is equal to chart, which is this chart, dot get category plot, okay, and then semicolon, and it will show some error, maybe the spelling mistake. Right click and fix import first, and the error will go, and after that we will declare P, which is this variable P dot set grid, sorry, dot set range grid, paint, I will give it a color for the grid, color dot black, I will give it black color for the grids, and then I will define chart frame, I will define my frame is equal to new chart frame once again, and bracket and semicolon. So this is my frame in which I will show my bar chart. So I will give it a title which is bar chart for student, and after that comma, this is this chart. So this chart I want to show in my frame, so I will copy it and paste it here. Okay, and in next line you should write frame dot set visible, and in the bracket write true. So I will setting it visible, and I will set its size also. Frame dot set size, and I will give it a size 450 by 350. You can give it any height and width, and let's try to run our program. This was your code, and I will go to my tab and I will click this bar chart, and my bar chart should appear. I click it and you can see my bar chart is here, in which here is my y-axis title marks, here is my x-axis title student name, this is my main title student score, and this is my frame bar chart frame title student. But I think I have taken 4 students, and here it is showing only 3 students. So I have to check what mistake I have done, because 4 bars should appear here instead of 3, because we have defined the score for 4 students. And I think here's the mistake: student 1, 2, 3, and I haven't given it the different name, 4th student, so student 4. And now I will run the program, and it must show 4 student. It's showing me the 4 student data with different scores. So that was the tutorial on how to make a bar chart, and in the next tutorial I will attach my bar chart with my database like this: pressure, temperature, volume flow, and rotational speeds. So thanks for now, and please rate